Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to connect controller to your HP OmniBook X. So take your controller and get it to the pairing mode as I did. As you can see on PlayStation 5, you need to click and hold the PlayStation button and the pairing mode button. Then, it disconnected. Then go into the Bluetooth, click more Bluetooth settings, add device, Bluetooth, and select the controller. And now it's connected. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.